It's raining down here on the bayou. Uh, oh well, we can't mill out wood when it's raining. It's not just raining here on the bayou, all of Baldwin County and over in Louisiana. Them parishes over there are getting plenty of rain. Lots of rain. Y'all can see the water has gone down some. It's not as high as it was. It has gone down some. You can actually walk out to the pier without getting your feet wet. But y'all see the rain coming down on the bayou. That water is being stirred up. And that guy's pier is not completely covered by water anymore. It's got a little bit of water over it. Let's see. I can get a closer view there. There's some water coming over it. So the water's gonna come back up. We get rain to the north, and it builds up behind the dams up there. That's whenever they turn it loose, open the floodgates of the dams. And then the water comes down here. But we just deal with it. JD knew what was going to happen when he got this property. So I can't see Vance's house over there. I see the roof of it a little bit. That's all. I can't get down there in the lower part to look over there. I see part of his roof. I can find it again. He's got a green roof. His upper pier is out of the water a little bit. I am not a professional cameraman. Y'all bear with me, okay? I have a shaky camera. It's not real steady. I'm using my cell phone, so y'all just be aware. All right? Rain is coming down. Pouring down. And there's more headed toward us. More rain coming this way. It's coming across Louisiana and Mississippi and headed towards us here in South Alabama. Y'all just understand, we get a lot of rain down here at this time of year. I can see the top part of Vince's house over there now. He's got a sand pile. It ain't going to be there much longer because it'll get washed away. The boat shed pier is still completely underwater. If I can get here where I can see it. I wouldn't want to try to walk out there on that pier. There's the boat shed. There's the top. You can't even see the pier because it's underwater. Y'all understand what we're up against. But everything's going to be all right pretty soon. There's that frame I pulled out of the swamp. Washed off of somebody's houseboat. That's a walkboard from the side of their houseboat. And it washed up down here. I rescued it and we brought it up here where we can get to it and get it out of the yard. I hope everybody puts up with my shaky camera work. Can y'all hear the thunder? It's loud. I appreciate everybody watching this. Bye, everybody.